to you?
Only we got this thing.
No. Do you think? Excuse me, madam.
It's at counter
Excuse me, madam.
41,
Do you think the passenger are lying to you and saying the joke to you? Why you giving the promise in the Bruxelles saying that?
No, who did you speak to? Tell me that. Who did you speak to right now?
I've spoken to the duty manager at the other end.
Which end?
Where is
Which
the other end?
Domestic.
We call
Okay.
her. Who will
Why-
take care?
They cannot come because the pass access is not permitted.
Okay.
How about the duty manager here at International? Where is the duty manager here at
The
International?
manager at the international are at boarding gates.
Sir,
Why don't you call them?
They will come only after.
No, you should try. Don't say don't. They will come only after 2 hours. That is not a responsible
Excuse
answer.
me, madam. The passenger, you have to take the care of the passengers. Okay.
I understand
Yeah.
about it.
You. I think that you are the chief of the now in the now.
That's
Okay.
the reason, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You are saying that you are not getting saying that you are not getting any mail from Bruxelles. No.
We haven't got it.
Are you sure?
We have- yeah.
Are you sure?
I got a mail from
Now
Brussels.
we are making the recording. We'll put in the tube and we'll show to Bruxelles airport also. Okay.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
You can
And
do the needful. Sir, I'm not.
Now, what's your final stance? What's your final stance? Yeah, let's go from there. What are you going to do? You want us to wander around here?
No, not over here because here.
Then what do you want to do? What's your plan? Action plan? If you are empowered to do that, tell me what's your action plan. Yeah.
Planning for a lounge over there.
Planning.
planning.
On a dormitory basis, is it? On a dormitory basis.
What will happen? You will take us to the other airport. Once we reach there, they'll say, sorry sir, you go to the other
See,
airport.
this is the experience it's happened. They kicked us from Newark as well as JFK airport to India.
Yeah.
They cancelled my flight, and I told them I will not get on this flight because
So
you
on the
cancelled
lounge,
it.
you're saying that we are going to have a dormitory basis sleep over there.
She's planning. She's not doing anything more. She's
But-
planning.
no, what do
is
you
it
think, sir?
planning in the mind or is it planning really?
No, see, you take us from here
You
to
are
other
taking the
airport.
other words and thinking it very negatively and making a general statement.
No.
Now, what's your plan then?
See, I have been waiting here for 45 minutes for a resolution.
You come one at a time, I can talk.
No. We are all together.
Yeah, we're all together. You tell me what's your plan then. Hey, give me your action plan, right? You are the supervisor.
See, you can't ignore. You
is
can't
it you've
ignore
done?
us. No, we have checked in our baggage. We've done everything that's
That you
required. As a
obligated to
supervisor,
do.
you are supposed to provide us with a resolution.
1 minute.
Yeah, tell
You
me
can
what.
talk softly.
Yes.
I understand your mental stress at this moment.
Because long
Because we
flight,
lost
no?
1 day of business, right? It's going to cost us $1 million,
I do understand.
right?
I'm not
And
denying
second is we are really loitering here without sleep.
like this is not going to solve
You're not giving it. See, we were very soft, right, to deal with you.
Don't say the
But what is
passenger
your stop?
shouting.
Yeah.
It's not
What is
their
your stopgap arrangement here? You are empowered to do that, right? You tell me, yeah? You tell me, yeah. Yeah.
That is giving you boarding passes because there are different aerobridge and all, and the lounge is too small at domestic.
Okay.
Let me be honest.
Perfect.
So the lounge capacity is only 20-25 passengers, which includes Jet Airways Premier Class also, business class.
Okay.
Now I cannot give you all of you a lounge access. I have to inform few people like on a certain basis, like 1 hour you go inside the lounge, whatever refreshment you can have, you can please come outside afterwards and let other people go. Let me be honest, sir. There
So
are
Amita, why can't you give accommodation? Is there any
We
problem?
cannot give.
No,
sir.
but the problem is the flight is got cancelled, right?
No,
The
sir.
problem is that.
We
Is there a
cannot
problem
give
that the
hotel. Let me be honest.
No,
sir.
why?
As
Who
per
has
the
You're
who is
not
the
giving any
authority? Can we talk to
accommodation. You're
them?
not giving any long.
lounge? I'm ready to.
Yeah, but in lounge, what is it? What is going to help us? We
No,
cannot
Amita.
refresh
Please, you
ourselves.
can-
Amita,
No,
is there a
no
person to
shower.
whom I can talk actually?
Sir,
I am a
I
gold
told you.
member. I have been with Jet
I told
Airways for
you it's
15
at
years.
counter
I'm a gold member.
41.
Can I talk to somebody?
It's at counter 40.
So can you give me his phone number or can
before
you
it-
connect on
See,
the
we
landline?
are
I am
on-
ready to ring for you.
Sir, no, it's not a matter. We
Yeah,
do
yeah, tell
have
me the
options
We are ready to
here.
even talk to your CEO if that is what it takes. But put us on to him then.
Sir, it's at counter 40.
We are all international passengers here, right?
Understand,
You guys
sir.
are treating like a piece of dash, man. That is
No,
all
it's
it
courier
is.
boxes.
They have not put
Luggage
us in a
boxes.
proper hotel there, and they said no. We will.
What you do, every sector you want to kick it out. They kick it from Bruxelles.
Their responsibility is over the moment you get out of here,
Bruxelles,
right?
They kick to Bombay. From Bombay now you're kicking to the domestic. And domestic they sorry.
No, but
we
to
cannot
whom
do
should we
anything.
talk for the accommodation, madam?
It's like a train passenger and
Amita,
sleeping on the
are
platform.
you listening?
That's what we
We
want to do.
have spoken
Even them they're
to Brussels also, and they said no
No,
about
but Kushal told me he sent an email. Kushal Shah
Sir,
in Newark
sir,
is the officer
sir,
there in Jet Airways. I
sir,
talked to him.
I checked in 2 places.
उसने
Right?
बताया
In
कि उसने
Newark, he
email
said,
डाला है.
I sent an email. They'll take care, right? In Brussels, they said, no, sir, we made arrangements. Everything is there.
done.
You go there, it will be hunky dory for
Even
you.
the baggage they'll take the baggage also.
Yeah.
What is this entitled for? Us for?
For the lounge access.
And what is there in the lounge?
You'll get all sort of a refreshments.
Well, we don't want to eat at this point in time. We need good
There
sleep.
is no shower facility.
No, we don't want shower. At least we want to lie down.
You want to lie down. You want to sleep for some time.
We are the human beings, no?
Can you give some kind of hygiene kits like dental kits or something like that? Do you have some such? No?
Nothing.
God. What do you expect us to? So come at 8:45 and board the flight? That's what you expect as a...
So you need to go to the lounge.
Okay.
Refresh yourself, sir.
Refresh here, you mean to eat something at this juncture?
So at least eat. You can sleep also, but not. We don't have a beds across.
It's
I don't
horrible.
want to give any false.
25 members the capacity is, and we are more than that, and by this time some people might be staying there. Where we can stay?
And you are making an unsecured arrangement. What is the security for us if you all sleep like that?
So I understand.
Right?
I understand, but that's the only thing I can help you, and that's the only thing Jet Airways can do. Not I. As a part of a Jet Airways, I'm
So this is Jet Airways service you're saying. It
That's
is
what
not
I
you.
say. So it's not you are representing Jet Airways here.
I'm
So you're
representing
segregating. Yeah, then
on
that
Jet
means...
Airways.
Yeah.
No, see, Jet Airways
On
service
Jet
is...
Airways cost only, not on my cost.
No, that's okay. But all I'm saying is Jet Airways does not have any provision for accommodation for passengers for no fault of theirs, even if Jet Airways decides to delay the flight or cancel the flight. Is that the answer?
In fact, I offered to stay in New York itself. Why don't you put me in a hotel in New York? I'll take the next day. flight.
Absolutely, I offered the
I
same.
offered. They said, no, sir, we can't do this. Same thing they said in New York itself. Right? I mean, if you guys are not willing to pay in dollars, if you guys are not willing to pay in rupees for no fault of us, what do you expect?
Why do you think I should travel jet the next time?
You help me book through the Jet Airways services. I'll pay. No problem. I'll take the hotel. Then I'll.
Hotel is. It's a,
No, you arrange for me. I'll pay for it.
Hotel is a main problem. It's not like that.
So I'll arrange.
If you
I don't have a
we
problem. I want to take bath. I want to change my dress.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I have a meeting with my MD, Philips India. Rajiv Chopra is his name. I have a meeting with him at 11 o'clock. I cannot go like this. Period. Give me accommodation. I'll pay for it, and then I'll work out.
1 minute, sir. The
Yeah.
hotel. We have
Give me
a
accommodation. I'll just do it.
Hotel reservation counters are there. If you want, I'll send one
No
of the
way.
staff.
No, you help me and then
Yes, so
I
that's
will.
what-
Yeah. No. Through Jet Airways only I'll do the booking. I'll pay the cash. Then I'll work out what is to be done.
I'm sorry, sir.
No,
you
you
can
have
take
to
this
help me.
matter.
No, this is. I want it now. I don't want it tomorrow. I will get delayed for my meeting tomorrow. I can't go in like this. I have to change my dress, take a shower,
I'm
get
really
dressed in
sorry.
a proper
I cannot do
suit.
anything.
Are you okay if you all combine and sue Jet Airways? We can go to the lawyers also, if that is what it takes.
Whatever you
I'm
want,
sorry,
you can
I'm
do.
talking very
Yeah.
politely to you.
I mean, my personal problem, you understand. I have a meeting
I
with my
understand
MD.
each and everyone's personal
So now you
problem
give me
on my
accommodation
ground.
and
I
I'll pay for it.
understand.
I'll pay for it. I don't have a problem.
If you want, we have a hotel reservation desk outside. I'll send one of my staff. You do the payment and you
Booking
go.
has to be done by Jet Airways. I'll pay the credit card
I'm
cash.
sorry, sir.
I am
I
okay with
cannot.
that.
We
I
cannot.
will pay. I will pay like a ticket because Jet Airways does that.
No, sir, I cannot. I'm sorry.
So what's your solution?
You
Let's
have to
just
give me a
let's get it a
solution.
digitized.
ये जो आप बोल रहे हो वो तो रोड साइड का टाउट भी करेगा यार.
See, I'll tell you, we were the only 4 who got the lounge, okay? There are 20 others who never got the lounge because they never haggled with her the same way we did.
No, it's not like
That
We
is.
have sent people to the lounge.
Amita, I am
I
ready
know,
to pay.
I have
You
been
give
waiting
me
here for
accommodation.
45 minutes.
I am
Sir,
ready
I
to
told
pay.
If I had...
I will be sending.
No, that I also know. I am an Indian. Yeah, I am living here for the last 43 years. I know every hotel, every place.
So your solution is lounge. You'll open up the lounge and we can hang.
No. That also they're
No, I
not
have
sure.
to
I'll
change.
tell you what they told the business
That's
class
there.
person.
No, it's there. For him, it's a different story, sir. Let me clarify. Don't
For us, the lounge is there.
Yeah, for him, he is a business.
Okay,
class,
then why don't we take her number? If lounge is not available, let's keep calling her.
Why you're taking my personal number?
That's okay. No. You are the supervisor. When you have the power to say, if this doesn't work, why don't you take the responsibility to fix it? You should give your number.
I have already done the arrangement.
I don't believe the same. This is what the same story which was given right from Newark.
Who will assist us?
This is very disrespectful the way you talk. Just be nice. You cannot ask somebody to have their own personal number and record like this. It is, I am not unprofessional.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, it's